About you, Sis Jen. It was an easy yes right away. We have known each other for 20 plus years, and I feel truly blessed as our friendship became deeper, closer, sweeter to the community, being sisters, and plus we became kumares. And you are Lina, our godmother to Ivy, and me to JV, as it did happen during confirmation. And we started sharing stuff like about motherhood, work, fashion, holidays, conferences, and joining the community and life in general. And sometimes marites. And the truth is, in all the time that I've known you, one thing has never changed. You are always as sweet as you are, always kind, always wearing a smile in your face. You are always have a soft and gentle approach, and you're one of those people who can walk into the room and somehow make you feel little calmer without even trying. And I have to mention your spaghetti. I always tell you how much I love your spaghetti. Being a Kapampangan, you are gifted with a good palate, and you are really good in cooking. And you and Sis Mai have the Kapampangan magic sarap. And I always make sure if you brought us back to the party, I do Sharon or take some home. And as a person, I look up to you. You're never afraid of showing how difficult life can be in a daily basis, and pretend that pain and hardship don't hit you. In fact, it could be really tough, the situation sometimes, but instead, you deal with those with faith, resilience, and honesty. And try to be better each time that resembles your fortitude, that gives inspiration to others like me, that a normal human being can get hurt, misjudged, failed, upset, stumbled, ignored, and can have serious medical, family, work-related issues. But despite of trying to reciprocate light and people with kindness. And what I admire you the most, is how you put up and holding your family together. As brother Val and your boys are the fruit and reflection of good submission and obedience, which you are guilty of, being the wife and the mother whom the source of wisdom, love, care, and being their world. So tonight isn't just about celebrating your 50 years of existence. It is also about celebrating countless lives you have touched along the way. And my prayers are for you to be blessed with good health, so that your family could enjoy more life together and inspire more people through your service in the community, and always find joy living each day knowing that you are blessed, loved, supported. Happy birthday, Sis Jen. We love you.
Grabe naman, may God be praised na yun. Thank you very much.